In today's video, I will walk you through how to share files on Zoom. While you're in a Zoom meeting, begin by clicking the Share button on the meeting toolbar. This opens the sharing window, where you can choose exactly what other participants will see. Take a moment to look through the available options so you can select the correct item before you start sharing. Next, find the Documents tab. In some versions of Zoom, this may appear as the Files section, but the process is the same. This area lets you access files that are stored in supported document repositories. You'll see options such as Google Drive and other available services. Select the service where your file is already stored. After choosing the repository, browse to the document you want to share. Once you've found it, confirm your selection. Zoom will bring that file into your meeting so everyone can view it together. If your document is already saved in one of these cloud services, you can share it directly from there without needing to open it separately on your computer. If your document is not stored in one of the available repositories, return to your desktop and open the file using its normal application. Depending on the type of file, this could be a PDF reader, a word processor, a spreadsheet application, or a web browser if that's where the file opens. Make sure the document is open in its own window and clearly visible before continuing. Once the file is open, go back to the Zoom sharing window. You'll now see thumbnails showing the application windows that are currently available to share. Locate the window that contains your document, then select it. Before you continue, make sure you've selected only the document window that you want everyone to see so your presentation stays focused on the correct content. When everything looks right, click Share. The selected document will immediately become visible to everyone attending the meeting. Give it a moment to display clearly for all participants. If the text appears too small, zoom in or switch the document to full screen mode within its application so it's easier for everyone to read. As you present the document, move through it at a steady pace. Scroll smoothly so participants can easily follow along, and pause whenever they need a moment to read the information on the screen. If the document contains visuals or data, briefly highlight the relevant sections as you move through the content so everyone stays focused on the same area. That's all there is to it. Start by clicking the Share button in your Zoom meeting. If your file is stored in a supported cloud repository, use the Documents or Files tab to locate and share it directly. If the file is stored on your computer instead, open it in its usual application, return to the sharing window, select that application, and click Share. Once your document is on screen, present it by scrolling through the content and keeping the document clearly visible for everyone in the meeting. Thank you for watching.